And there's more breaking news. This also very important for us here in Southern California. The Supreme Court upheld birthright citizenship this morning, protecting the right to citizenship for any baby born on American soil.
Eyewitness News reporter Annabelle Munoz is here with reaction on the ruling. Annabelle?
Colleen and Philip, in a 6-3 ruling, the nation's highest court reaffirmed the longstanding legal precedent that those born on U.S. soil are U.S. citizens regardless of their parents' immigration status. The class action lawsuit was led by the ACLU following the president's executive order. On his first day of his second term in office, President Trump aimed to limit birthright citizenship, claiming children born to non-citizen parents who are either undocumented or who have temporary permission to remain here are not eligible to be U.S. citizens. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in part, citizenship then and now was the right to have rights, to freely participate in our political community. The framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every freeborn person in this land. We keep that promise today. And this morning, immigrant rights groups here in Southern California, including those who filed in support of the lawsuit, celebrated the decision.
With this decision, we celebrate an enduring American promise, one that says that every child born on this soil begins life with dignity, belonging, and the full protection of our Constitution.
But let's be clear-eyed about what we're celebrating today. We are celebrating a right that should never have been in jeopardy.
The president called the decision, quote, too bad, and went on to suggest that his next pathway to pursue this action would be Congress. The U.S. Department of Justice posted on X saying birth tourism schemes exploit immigration laws, saying it would prioritize prosecutions. And this, Colleen and Philip, is the latest end-of-session Supreme Court ruling in what has been a mixed bag of decisions for this administration. Reporting live in studio, Annabelle Munoz, I'll send it back to you.
Oh,